There's normal, non-technical people making a full-time living selling simple PDFs on websites like Gumroad. And the crazy part is that these PDFs can be built in a few minutes with Claude AI. This is my dashboard from selling digital products over the last quarter. And if I had to delete my account and start all over, these are the exact 5 steps that I'm going to take you through in this video. And at the end, I'm going to show you exactly how much I made. We're not going to create just some random digital product and pray that somebody buys it. First, we're going to find a digital product that's already proven to work using a research method that 99% of people have no idea about. Then we're going to rebuild it our own way, this time with Higgsfield supercomputer doing all of the heavy lifting. After that, we'll publish on Gumroad, run a meta ads strategy, and I'll show you how to drive traffic for free if you don't have an ad budget yet. The first step is to find a digital product that's already selling. Now, I'm not going to sit here and tell you to follow your passion because that's going to keep you broke. You need to find what's actually selling so that you can mimic and copy exactly what they're doing. The best place to find ideas that are actually working right now is Facebook ads library. Simply go to Google and type Facebook ads library, and it's one of the first ones that pops up. Once you get to the page, select a top tier country like the United States, select all ads, and then choose one of these words and search it. Next, let's click on filters, and then let's filter it from a month ago. I think that's just enough time to know that ads are actually working. You can go through them one by one, save the landing page, save the links, and do your research that way. Or you can highlight all of them and get Claude to shoot you a straight answer about which PDF will most likely sell. Now, I see a lot of these types of ads, women's health, men over 50. So I know that these do good because I know people of this age are looking for solutions. Let's give massive amounts of value. Step number 2 is remixing and rebuilding with Claude AI. Now, we want to take this same subject of the PDF and make something way more valuable. So we're going to rely on Claude. But first, we have to upgrade it and make it way more valuable. Essentially, we're connecting Claude, which is the most powerful LLM in the world, to Higgsfield, which is the most powerful video generation platform on the entire planet. It's super easy to connect it. Once we're in Claude, and you can use the free plan for Claude, we're going to customize connectors. We're going to click this plus button right here. We're going to add custom connector. We're going to enter this URL. This URL is in the description below, and let's name it something like Higgsfield, and then click add. And that's it. It's added. 5 seconds, 10 seconds later, we're good to go. So we're taking a PDF subject like this that's been around for a while. These PDFs have been around since the invention of the internet, and they've always worked. But we want to make sure that we're giving massive value. And luckily for me, I love talking about men's energy, men's health. This is a huge part of my life. It's kind of a passion of mine. So this goes hand in hand with money and passion as well. You don't have to follow your passion. You don't have to make PDFs about your passion. Just make PDFs that people actually want. And if you happen to be passionate about that subject, fantastic. So we're going into Claude. Here is where the magic happens. This is the kitchen. We're going to take our subject, we're going to take our ad link of our competitors, and we're going to paste it in this box. And we're going to tell Claude to make us something better. But here's where I want you to be different when you're talking to Claude. Just have a conversation with it. No Python, no JavaScript, nothing like that. Let me show you. Hey, Claude, I'm going to feed you different links of a Facebook ad, a PDF that's doing quite good, that's been on the platform for a month or two. And I want you to create me an outline for what you believe a better version of this PDF looks like. Perfect. Something simple like that. We're going to paste the links of the ad, of the landing page, etc., and we're going to hit enter. Okay, for taking less than 5 minutes, the PDF is actually pretty solid, but I want to add way more value. I'm going to put you in research mode. I need people to feel like they paid $1,000 for this PDF when they really paid next to nothing. Let's put it in the research mode, which takes around 10 to 20 minutes. I'm going to grab a coffee and I'll see you back here in a second. This is actually really impressive. 20 minutes later, and Claude came up with this entire fantastic 67-page men's energy reset. Now, this has some notes that I gave it about my personal experience, but the research that it did is absolutely incredible. And let's check this out. Table of contents. It has my story, why men are so damn tired, and it goes on to show the ideal diet, the ideal sleep. It talks about mitochondria and how the cells work and how energy stores work within the body, sunlight grounding, the electric body, which I believe in a lot. It talks about Chinese medicine, Chinese traditional, I get so excited doing this. Indian medicine, Chinese medicine, Ayurvedic medicine, clean water, everything, 67 pages of what I believe will bring zombie-like men back to life, complete energy. And I know that this is chock full of massive value, and I'm actually super proud of this because it's just, there's not a lot of information like this nowadays in modern society. Look, green superfoods, I can't talk, I get so excited. Vitamin mineral stack. Okay. Yeah, for sure. The herb and adaptogen protocol, ashwagandha, very important. Tongkat Ali, CoQ10, cordyceps, all of these are super important for men, and this is going to help a lot of people. Okay, enough about this PDF now. Let's actually head over to Gumroad, open our account, post it, and let's get our meta ad running. Okay, but before we do that, let's design the book cover. Let's design all of the content that we need for this PDF. Let me show you how to do that. So we're inside of Claude, and since Claude is connected to Higgsfield, we can direct Higgsfield inside of the Claude chat. Let me show you exactly what I mean. Take this PDF. I need you to design a cover for Gumroad. I also need you to design with Higgsfield different PDF stacks, different content covers, whatever you think will help the book sell the most. Here's our Gumroad cover. Here's our Gumroad logo. And here's a couple of other photos that we can use for social media and advertisements as well. Step number 4 is opening up a free Gumroad account. Start selling. Let's create an account. Let's log in with Google. Once we're signed in, we're going to scroll down and click Create Your First Product. The name is Men's Energy Reset PDF. We're going to select digital product. The price, let's set it at $49.99. Let's check automatically apply discount code, and we're going to give them a code to get them excited to get the PDF. We can connect our bank account or a debit card. We're going to click Publish and Continue. Step number 5 is creating UGC content with Higgsfield and starting our meta ads. Now, before I put my Facebook ads on the internet, before I put anything on social media, I actually want to create the UGC style ads. Now, given that this ebook is about me, it has a lot of my information about energy, about men's health and things like that. I'm going to make this about me. I'm going to put myself in the UGC videos without filming, without recording my voice, without doing anything. I'm going to show you how easy it is. But guys, listen, this doesn't have to be of you. You can make a UGC style video of anybody, of women, of men, of influencers, of promoting your product, whatever you want to do. The sky is the limit. With Claude and Higgsfield, you can create anything. I'm going to show you the UGC style videos that I created, and I'm going to show you the type of videos that you can create with your specific digital product. I need you to create me with Higgsfield a UGC style video that talks about my men's energy PDF book, how I was low on energy and I followed a certain diet. I started going to the gym. I started taking many different supplements and how it's helped me tremendously. I'm going to upload my picture and the picture of the book. I need you to include both of these. Remember, this is going to Higgsfield. This is going to be such a powerful UGC style video that's going to sell my PDF. Oh, by the way, make me 3 of them, please. This doesn't have to be you. You can upload a picture of anybody, or you can leave this blank and let Claude and Higgsfield invent a completely new character. This is the PDF, and this is the prompt. Let's go ahead and click enter and see what it gives us.
I'm 42. I was waking up tired. I told myself that's just 40. It's not. This is how I reset my energy. I'm 42 and I started to notice some things. I told myself that's just 40. It's not. I wrote down everything I did, every supplement I took, links below.
There's 2 ways to get people to purchase your PDF. Now, I'm going to be running paid ads inside of Meta, and I'm also going to show you a method. If you don't have the ad spend, you don't want to spend money on ads, I'm going to show you a free method to get clients as well. So we're inside of our Meta ads. We're going to click create. We're going to sales, since that's what we're doing. Let's go ahead and name it. Now, I always recommend you start with a $20 budget, but we're going to start a little bit lower for now because we're doing some testing here. So let's start with $15 per day. And this is the daily budget. Since we want to push people to the Gumroad website, we're going to click website option here. We're going to keep it on maximize number of conversions. Now, if you don't already have a Facebook page, go ahead and create a Facebook page for your PDF and your product. It's super simple. It takes 10 minutes. Go to your Facebook profile, click on create page, and go ahead and create that. I'm going to show you what I created here in a second. Threads, we're going to leave that off. Nobody goes to threads anyways. And we're going to go ahead and add our Gumroad product link right here. Then we're going to scroll down and we're going to upload ad creative. Now I'm adding my primary text, my headline, my description, and my call to action. We're going to click next. Now, the reason I'm not choosing specific interests and specific genders and roles and countries is because the Facebook ad algorithm has gotten so smart that it's 1,000 times better than anybody trying to choose interests and who they think the ads are going to be relevant to. The algorithm is so smart that it knows who's interested in your specific product or PDF. So we're just going to leave it on default. Now, we have one ad set here with 3 different types of UGC videos. Everything looks good to go. We're going to go ahead and click publish. If you don't want to go the meta ads route and spend money on ads, you can always do this for free by putting out organic content. Now, what I mean by this is you can start a completely new YouTube channel, TikTok channel, Instagram, Facebook, whatever you want. I always recommend going with YouTube because YouTube's discovery system and algorithm right now, this year, are the easiest. It's the easiest to get attention on YouTube. But before we go posting random videos on our YouTube channel, let's actually find what's working. Here's how you do that. We're going to go to YouTube. We're going to type in our case, it's going to be men's energy. We're going to find the ones that have the most amount of views in the shortest amount of time. But before we do that, we're going to click on shorts up here. Okay, here's a perfect one for my case. The 5 best food for strength and energy. This has over 800,000 views. This is 3 years ago. This is perfect. So we're going to click on this. Once we're on the short, we're going to watch it to make sure it fits our specific PDF to find the winning formula here. This is obviously winning. This has 15,000 likes and over 800,000 views. So if this is relevant to our specific PDF, we're going to land on the short and we're going to go up to the bar. We're going to replace shorts and we're going to say watch. If you want, you can go ahead and watch through this, kind of study the structure, see what's working. But I would always recommend is going to the description here, going down to transcript, show transcript. We're going to copy the transcript and feed it into Claude. And we're going to say something like this. Hey, Claude, I need you to develop a transcript around this specific YouTube transcript. I want to copy it, not word for word, but I want to put my own spin on things. I need you to take this, put your own spin on things, and connect directly to Higgsfield and make me a UGC style video that talks about the top 5 foods and supplements that men over 40 need to take.
4 supplements every guy should consider. Vitamin D3 with K2. K2 sends calcium to your bones, not your arteries. Magnesium glycinide, most guys are deficient. Creatine monohydrahide, 5 grams daily. And fish oil, 2,000 milligrams EPA plus DHA. Stack these. Thank me later. 4 supplements every guy needs. Vitamin D3 with K2. K2 puts the calcium in your bones, not your arteries. Magnesium glycinide, most of us are running on empty. Creatine monohydrahide, 5 grams a day, no fancy versions. And fish oil, 2,000 milligrams EPA plus DHA. Lock these in. You'll feel the difference.
This is a type of content that's actually going viral nowadays, not because it's better than real UGC creators talking to the camera, but because it's so scalable. And with Higgsfield and Claude, you can make 100 of these pieces of content per day and post them like crazy across YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, Snapchat, the whole 9. And the game here is volume. When it comes to organic views and selling PDFs organically, the game is volume. Now, I think a lot of the pieces of content you post are not going to get past 4,000 views, but there's going to be one that's going to get 100,000, 200,000, possibly 1 million views. And that's where you make the sales. Okay, so this next part, I think most creators who make these types of videos either they fake the number, they fake their profit, or they just bury it completely. I spent $219.74 on the Meta Ads campaign. The Meta Ads campaign, I believe, ran for about a week, maybe 8 days. And I made in profit total in this whole campaign, I made $0. I did not sell a single PDF. But what comes next is worth more than any profit I could have faked. Now, this is my real ads manager. As you can see here, this is not a screenshot. It's not AI. This is Men's Energy PDF. I want to show you something here. My CTR that I got with the UGC style videos that I created with Higgsfield and Claude, I got 17% click-through rate. Now, mind you, top agencies and people who do this professional, they fight from anywhere from 3 to 5% click-through rate. I literally got 17% with the UGC style videos that I made from Higgsfield. This is so hard to do. It's extremely hard. Very, very difficult to do. If you've ever run a meta ad before, you probably just stopped breathing. A good cold campaign gets 1 to maybe 2%. And again, the professionals get anywhere from 4 to 5%. I got 17%. 17%. It's absolutely insane. That's 8 to 10 times what the best in the entire world pull. I did it by myself in an afternoon from my desk. Here's the number that actually broke my brain. Cost per click is 19 cents. This is what I pay per click. Most smart marketers pay $1, $2, sometimes $5 for the same click. I literally paid 19 cents. 19 cents for a click. So I got 1,152 clicks for $200. And I never picked up a camera. Higgsfield built that creative entirely through Claude. UGC style videos that were so good that ice cold strangers stopped scrolling 17% of the time and clicked. Which also means since these worked on meta ads, they'll also work with free organic content on YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, any social media platform that you want to grab attention from. I've been running meta ads for 2 to 3 years. I've never gotten 17%. The most I got was 5%. 17% is absolutely crazy. The click was never the problem. I won that, as you can see here. The part that breaks 99% of people before they even make $1 is the click-through rate and the cost per click, which is 19 cents. Now, what sat after this, that was on me. My landing page, my price, my checkout, I fumbled it. I won't pretend otherwise. I messed that part up. Something about my landing page, my sales copy, or my product, there was something off about it where nobody wanted to buy the PDF. Creative good enough to stop a stranger mid-scroll. That's solved. That's done. That's the hardest part about advertising is creative. It's a tool now. The sales page, the headline, the price. That's the easy 20% you can fix in one afternoon. So we know that Higgsfield can create winning creative. We know that 17% is just, it's near impossible and Higgsfield just solved it. So before you leave this video, don't chase profit on day one. Chase the click. Win the hardest part first, the part that the top 1% spend years trying to crack, and let Higgsfield and Claude hand it to you for 19 cents per click. I still can't believe this is real. If you want to try Higgsfield, I left a link in the description below. And if you want to stay up to date on the latest and the greatest in AI trends, tools, and news, be sure to scan the QR code on the screen to join my free newsletter sent out on a weekly basis meant for normal people to start profiting from the world of AI. Alrighty, guys, hope you liked the video, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye for now.